Yes, being a content creator is my dream job. I am here today to tell you why and why you should also consider doing it as well. Hey everyone, it's Holly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am a homeschooling mom of 4 kids. I am also a YouTube content creator. And on my channel, I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, motherhood, occasionally some product reviews. That is where I'm coming from. But today I want to share with you why being a content creator is truly my dream job. First of all, I want to say that my ultimate dream job that when I was in high school and people would ask me, what do you want to be when you grow up? I would always say, I really just want to be a mom and housewife. And then of course, once I got married and had kids, that dream came true. So I guess you could say I already had my dream job. Well, as we moms know, being a mother is the best job in the world, but it's not a job that you get paid. And I guess when I say dream job in this video, maybe I should refer to dream career, just any sort of job where you make money. That is really what I am referring to in this video. Don't be confused. My ultimate dream job was always to be a mother, and it's still the best job in the world. But in this video, I'm talking about a job where I could make money, where I could help provide for my family, and at the same time, enjoy what I do. I'm here today to tell you why I love it so much, and honestly, why you should consider doing it as well. Going back in time again to the days when everyone was talking about what they wanted to be when they grew up, people would ask me, I would give them the same answer, I want to be a housewife and mom. And then when that didn't happen, people would still ask me, what do you want to do? And I knew that I probably should start thinking about something that I wanted to pursue. Going way back in time again, back to late high school, early college, it seemed like everyone I knew, friends and acquaintances, all knew what they wanted to do when they grew up. Everyone at least seemed like they knew what they wanted to do when they went to college. They knew what they wanted to major in and what kind of career path they wanted to go with. A lot of people wanted to be teachers, lawyers, doctors. You know, there was always some sort of vision for everyone I talked to. At least it felt like it. But I always had a big old question mark on my head thinking, what do I want to do? If I don't end up getting married someday and having kids, what kind of job could I pursue? Well, let's just say I tried all kinds of jobs out there. I even went to college and I was undeclared. There was never anything I was driven to do when it came to a career. Even though I didn't know what kind of job I wanted to do, I knew what type of job I wanted to do. And that was a job with flexibility. Flexibility for being able to work remotely, mainly working from home, because if I was to be a stay-at-home mom someday and still need to work, then I wanted to have a job where I could work in the home or really remote, just anywhere, and creating my own schedule. So basically, I wanted to be my own boss, but I just did not know what that job was exactly. And at one point, I got into doing medical billing because I heard that with medical, there'll always be a need out there. And I actually did pursue medical billing. I went to a trade school, got certified in it. So I actually worked in medical billing and healthcare administration for over 3 years. Did I enjoy it? Absolutely not. I really did not enjoy working in the medical administration, medical billing field. It was definitely great for, reasons B, you could have your own business at home doing it, but it just was not me. It was not something that I wanted to continue with. So after 3+ years of doing it, I quickly steered away from that and never returned. For so long, I didn't know what kind of career path I wanted to pursue, but I always knew the type of job I wanted. Basically, being my own boss. That is one thing that being a content creator has allowed me to be. I get to choose my own hours of when I'm going to sit down and do my work. That is huge. That is huge that I can just adjust my schedule however it'll work. Now, I'm not saying I always have time to work on it. Sometimes I find myself staying up real late or getting up real early to work on things. But for the most part, it's the hours that work best for me. It is great that I get to choose my schedule and then just working from home. working from home or remotely in general. Working from home, in my opinion, is the best thing ever. Obviously, it's great for moms because, say we have little ones at home, we can work while they take naps, we can work while they're playing, there's ways of working around it with still being home, able to care for your kids. Another great thing about working from home is weather. I live in Denver and we can have some crazy snowfalls here. I do not want to have to drive to an office to go to work when the weather is cold and snowy outside. I want to stay home on those cold weather days. That is just great that I can stay here and do my work. And another reason for staying at home is I never have to sit in traffic. I never have to go fight all the people who are commuting to go work in an office. I commuted for many, many years, and I gotta tell you, I don't know why people do it. I do understand people have to get to a job. It is so frustrating sitting in traffic that is dead stopped or stop and go. You're running late for work or you're running late for getting home after work. It is a huge thing not having to commute. Plus, I don't have to spend money on gas commuting either. There's just so many great things about working from home. I also love working from home because I just am a homebody. I like being in the environment of being at home. I like being able to just go and drink my own coffee rather than drinking, communal coffee in a break room or having to go buy coffee. I like being able to just eat the food that's in my home and not have to pack a lunch every day or have to go eat out every day. And then I know this sounds crazy, but just using my own bathroom every day and having that privacy. I mean, I know that's just something silly to think about, but it's just these little things that are so nice about working from home. And I could go on and on about why I love working from home, but I think I'm just going to stop right there. It doesn't always have to be from home too. I also, in my job, I am able to work remotely anywhere. Say we go on vacation and I have some editing to do and some other things that I need to get done in a timely manner. I could take it on vacation with me. Not that I want to take work on vacation, but I have. It's been fine. I just take my computer with me and take the job anywhere. That is another great thing about this type of job, is just being able to not only work from home, but work anywhere. I can go sit at a park if I want to, or go to a Starbucks. I mean, there's just so many different places that people enjoy working from, and I liked the fact that I could choose wherever to work from. That is one thing, just being able to work from home. Next is having the flexible hours. Flexible hours to me is just such a big part of this. Now, I am a full-time homeschooling mom, so our mornings are pretty busy with our school and everything. So I can do my content creating in the afternoons. I could do them on the weekends. I could even change our school schedule around and do a little bit of my work in the morning, do some homeschooling in the afternoon. Being a homeschooling parent, already you have tons of flexibility with your schedule, but being able to do this as well with my job makes it even better. I can do this work whenever time allows. And sometimes it's me getting up real early or staying up real late. Sometimes it's trying to get a project done by the weekend, but I still get to choose my hours. Getting to choose my hours, I also get to choose when I want to go on vacation. I know that when I had jobs in the past, it was so hard to ask for time off for vacations. I can't tell you all the times that I wanted to go and do things and I wasn't able to get the time off, and it was so frustrating. But having this type of job allows me to go on vacation whenever I want. I just got to make sure that I get my work done. And I know that that can be frustrating for some people because they're working really hard just so they can go on a trip. But I'm always feeling very motivated if I know a trip is coming up, that I will get all the work done that I need to get done before I go on the trip. I don't know. Somehow it always works out. That is another reason why I love this type of job. I get to work wherever I want. I get to choose the hours that I want. It works great with my schedule being a mom, homeschooling mom, and it works great with just whatever we got going on in our life. A trip, a family event, Whatever may come up, I can do my work whenever I need to. I get to decide when I want to do it. So those are two big reasons why I love this type of job. Now, the actual work itself is creating. I absolutely love to create. I am a very creative person by nature. People ask me, what's your strengths? I will always say, well, I have a big creative side, and I get to utilize my creative side all the time doing this type of work. Now, I'm not saying that this job is always fun. There are some aspects of the job where I get frustrated, mainly with the technology, because I am not a tech person. I learn as I go, and a lot of times I wish I could take a lot of the technology out of this type of job. Now, as far as me getting into being a content creator, I honestly was not sure I could ever make money doing it. I knew a lot of people out there did make money doing it, but I just never thought I would get to that point. I really just wanted to try something new at the time. I wanted to challenge myself. You know, at this point in my life, I am a stay-at-home mom. I am a full-time homeschooling mom, and I did not do it at the time because we needed an extra income. This was just something that I was interested in trying out, and I wanted to challenge myself and just see what would happen if I started a channel. And once I got started, I just kept coming up with new ideas of things I wanted to do. And one thing led to another until next thing I knew, my channel was monetized and I started getting paid for it. Really, it was not something that I just went in pursuing and said, I've got to make money doing this. I do know that that is a good goal to have if that is what you are planning to do for that income or extra income. But at the time, I was mainly doing it to, like I said, for all those reasons. And when I got to where I was, I realized that this was the dream job that I always wanted. Coming up with the ideas, putting these videos together, just seeing the ending result is so exciting, and I continue to enjoy doing it. And after all these years of trying to figure out what would be the best type of job for me, especially as a stay-at-home mom, this is it. This is the job that I had always hoped for. This is the job that I had dreamt of. I just didn't know it. I mean, obviously, a long time ago, this type of job wasn't even a thing. I'm very glad that this day and age, it is a thing, and it's something that I could do. I want to encourage all of you out there. If you are like me, a stay-at-home mom, or not even a stay-at-home mom, you don't even have to be a mom. You could be a dad. Anyone that wants to be able to work anywhere they want, work anytime they want, and get to do something fun, get to create, get to make. I know that there's a lot of people out there that are not like me. They do not have the creative side, but there is so much that they can offer, especially with having your own channel. You can maybe offer advice in technology, the things that I lack, or just any skill that you are good at. Think about the skill that you are good at and focus on that. I just wanted to share why this is my dream job because I've been so excited about it for quite some time now. It took me a while in the beginning to actually get to that point where I was making money. But once I did, I was just so excited that I am actually getting paid to do this because it is something that I really do enjoy. And I really encourage any of you out there that are just like thinking, should I do it? What could I offer people? Well, I am pretty sure everybody out there has something to offer someone else. And you never know until you try. So why not just give it a try? Why not just start making videos, start posting videos, and just see what happens? Anyhow, I hope that this video is helpful. I really just wanted to encourage a lot of people out there that are struggling with not enjoying their job, people that are desiring to be their own boss, work from home, create their own hours, and do something that they really love. And I feel like anyone who does a channel can do what they love because they can do something that is an interest of theirs and get to either talk about that interest or pursue making stuff having to do with that interest. I appreciate you watching today. If you enjoyed or got something out of this, please hit the like button. Thank you again for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.